All right, gang, let me give you a little bit of feedback, and also I want to tell you exactly how to make these suction cups stick better. What this is here is this is the replacement windshield mount for a Valiton V1 radar detector. If that is your specific radar detector, this is what you are probably looking for. Because your original mount with sticky cups either cracked, was lost, you're looking for a spare for a car, which is a great option to have so that you can move it between multiple vehicles if you have it. And so this is the NOA Store's replacement that fits perfectly with the Valentine V1. Man, it's pretty straightforward what it is. It's well designed, low profile, good sticky cups that come with extras. But the one comment that I keep seeing over and over and over again, not just for this, but so many different things, is people having trouble with the sticky cups or the suction cups staying stuck. And so here's what I want to tell you. There's a really neat, easy trick. First of all, you need to use some alcohol on an alcohol swab on your windshield. Make sure it's free of dust and debris on where you're going to mount it. Anything that has encrusted on it. Sometimes there's a thin film that you can't see that is just made up of grime through the years. You got to make sure that's all gone. And then on the suction cup side, take a little bit of Aquaphor or petroleum jelly like Vaseline. A real thin little bit in here goes a long way. And then you press this up and hold there for like 15-20 seconds, and voila. It is the trick to make these sticks so much better. And again, if they do wear out, this does come with a replacement set as well. The reason that trick works is it helps keep the air out of the suction cup, which is what you are trying to do. You're trying to create a pressure differential between the windshield and this. And so as long as it keeps the air out, it goes a long way. So anyway, if you're looking for a good replacement for your Valentine V1 radar detectors mount, check this out. You'll find it in the NOA store.